Just to miss it. Look at this. This is the peacock wala, and this will be in demand, I'm sure. But hurry up, friends.
Gayatri, the hand painted you showed yesterday was awesome. Wanted
Yes.
to buy it. Was already sold. Waiting for the next batch patiently.
Yeah. Keep waiting. You will get good ones. How is this? This is also a very well made piece. Very well made piece. It's like this. All in silks. So the achol looks so elaborate. These are all artwork. This is the blouse piece for the sari.